There are two kinds of pain in this world. Pain that hurts.
Yo, I call for fucking every
Pain that
intro.
alters.
Okay, let me try this.
Big one. Sensei Jigsaw.
Hi, I'm sad. Fucking no bitch, give her dick my dad. I don't give a fuck cause I'm running to the bag. And a nigga blowing up just like a motherfucking flag. Don't give a fuck about that bread, it's my Play-Doh. I slide on that scene with a Draco like hell. And I'm in the cut like a blade of a razor. I stay with a beam and that bitch got a laser. Hopping on the beat, I'm going dumb until I come. And then I pull up with the gun and chopper, shooting like a drummer. Fully automatic, nigga talking fucking beat percussion. And a chopper hit his head to get that boy a concussion. And I bust on your bitch, no introduction. We made a flick, yes I'm pouring up production. I'm with your bitch, she give me suction. Outside with the stickers, that pole that I'm clutching. Getting kinda bored, so I'm sliding with a diamond sword. Level 44, and I'm fucking in a fucking lord. Pull up with it more, chopper leave a nigga on the floor. Knocking at his door, knock on his door. Ducking on that bitch, I'm about to break the motherfucking board. I'ma blow a bag every time I walk up in the store. She be on the floor, talking give me more. I be on the bed, and then AK to your fucking core. I be off the hook like I just unplugged the cord. And I'm walking on the beat, it's getting easy, so I'm getting bored. And I'm stronger and I'm bigger than these niggas, so I'm getting bored. I be in the caddy, boy, you flexing a Honda Accord. And these niggas talking shit, but they be giving me bread to record. And that nigga want a verse, I'm sorry, you cannot afford. I'm a diesel ass nigga, I'm built like the engine of Ford. And I posted with my rings on my hands, so I feel like the Lord.